Just another boring transition. Today's video is sponsored by the dark matter. Bring an adjustment clip on top of your cut. Make it 10 frames long, right-click on it and select to open it in the Fusion page. Bring a camera shake node, increase the motion scale, the speed scale, and the motion blur slider. Scroll down and change the border type to replicate. Right-click to the pan tilt rotation speed slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the source to duration, and check the mirror box. Now you can go back to the Tools tab and adjust the shake sliders to your liking. Add a flicker addition node after. Change the type to flicker gain and increase the range slider. Right-click in the speed slider and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the source to duration, and check the mirror box. And you just gave yourself a nice epileptic seizure. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you were just a drop in the ocean.